Okay guys, it is day 3 of the Arkansas herping trip, and we are here back at Woolly Hollow State Park.
And it's very early in the morning, as you can clearly see.
Yeah, the sun's behind us and we're facing, wait, which way does the sun rise?
Oh no, tight. The sun's right there up in the sky. You know, it's like 4 right now.
Yeah, it's 4.
You know how long we've been inside?
7 hours.
No, way more than that. Shite, we woke up at like 6.
Well, let's go find some herps. Hopefully that'll make up for this lackluster day. This would be an excellent place to find a snake, actually. Just look at this. That is beautiful.
Scenery!
Scenery! We're in pygmy rattlesnake territory.
My flip. If you found a rattlesnake,
I would have been so happy if I just did.
I would have cried. Just like on graduation day.
Because we're right next to a flowing water source. I really just hope we find anything. We'll get back to you if we do.
Keeping us from going chronically insane.
Okay, what we got here is a ton of tadpoles stuck in a little thing beside the creek. It's sad, but that's just nature. So, can't really do anything to help it. Okay, well, this place doesn't hold a lot of snakes. It sure does hold a lot in beauty. We're gonna keep going down and hopefully we'll find something. Okay, we're literally just 5 minutes away. And look at this scenery transition. It went from desert to this. That's just amazing. Okay guys, I'm seeing a snake in the water. I'm not sure the species, but I have to get closer. You see him? I think that's a cottonmouth.
In the water?
Yeah, right there. I think that's a cottonmouth.
Is that a head?
Yes, that's a head.
You mean next to the tree?
Yes, I'm gonna get a closer look. Okay guys, that looks like the western cottonmouth that we've been looking for. And damn, that is a cool looking snake.
Grab it!
No.
Viewers, tell them to grab it!
Oh, I've been waiting so long to get a picture of one of these.
Stick it underwater, I want to see.
Do you want to try to catch it? Yeah. This is up to you, man. Okay.
I'm not going to try it right now because it's in the water.
That is a western cottonmouth. Yes, we found one.
Oh, dang, it is. That is a small little shit.
Yeah, right next to a cottonmouth. That's awesome. And terrifying.
Which one would you rather get bit by?
Probably the northern. Nice. Okay, here's my friend, a northern water snake. Good old trusty. These guys are harmless. Unlike the viper under this rock. Damn. Okay, we're gonna try and get some better footage of this guy. I'm not gonna handle it, because that is too dangerous. Wow, just look at this area. Up there would be a good place to find rattlesnakes, so that's where we're gonna check. Yeah. Heading back down. Try and see if that thing's still there, and then we'll check the rest of the creek. Black rat snake. Nice. Yeah, black rat. He was just sunning up against this tree. Nice. Always good to find these. Hey, no, 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 no. Don't bite me. Woo! That's a good one. And there he goes. Right into the water.
How the hell you find me?
Good snake. Good snake. What are you looking at?
Look at my nose.
No. Okay, we're gonna end the video there. Sorry it's not as packed as yesterday's was, but that's gonna be a really hard act to follow. So, tomorrow, we're gonna try and get some more. And if that wasn't a cottonmouth in the video, I'm sorry. I didn't get a clear enough look at it. But we'll go over the video and talk about it tomorrow. Well, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.